Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to my very first Amazon haul. I have done plenty of hauls on my channel, but this is the first for Amazon. And I actually now have an Amazon storefront, so you can access it down in the description box. Y'all, I have not shopped in 3 years. Ever since I started my boutique, I stopped shopping at other places for clothing. Beginning in January, I made the decision to go on a hiatus from my boutique. Therefore, I need pieces. I'm a fashion girl at heart and I love to shop. Although I've shopped on Amazon for plenty of items, I've gotten earrings such as these and other accessories from Amazon, but I had not gotten actual clothing pieces. So in this haul today, I'm showing you accessories, your exclamation point to your outfit, as well as some clothing pieces that I picked up. So anyway, before I get into the Amazon haul, I just want to show you 2 pieces that I picked up from Zara. This is the first. This is a super cute handbag, a super cute clutch. When I wore her, I held her like this, but she is very spacious. Let me show you the inside. This is the inside. She came with a chain that you can actually hang her from your shoulder. You can clip her to the inside, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to actually carry her by hand. And when I wore her, I received so many compliments because I mean, she's different, unique. At the time when I purchased her, I had not seen her anywhere else. But since then, I've seen her on Amazon, Shein. You can get her several places now, but she came from Zara. And the heels I wore for my birthday also came from Zara. They're not really high. I think they're like 3.5 inches. They go around the ankle. And just a really cute leopard heel. And me making this purchase actually saved my birthday outfit. But yeah, so those are the 2 purchases that I made from Zara. Mind you, those were my very first purchases ever from Zara. Now, back to the Amazon haul. I am going to begin with this beauty right here. I actually wore her with my birthday outfit. She was actually part of the birthday outfit. And she has these 2 magnet pieces. Y'all see that? That's how she stays closed. But she's very spacious on the inside. She has a zipper here. I absolutely love this bag. Very inexpensive, might I add. I also picked up this bracelet. At the time when I purchased this bracelet, I did not know that she was a dupe for the Tiffany bracelet. I ended up finding that out after the fact. I went on Amazon looking for a silver cuff bracelet because I have a cuff bracelet, but I just wanted something different. I wanted a different look to one. So I actually found her. She is super cute. I also purchased these pantyhose, and I'm gonna pop a picture up here because you really can't see the full effect of them by me holding them like this. These pantyhose have holes in them, like rips, like runs, and everything. You see it in the picture. I purchased these for my birthday outfit to wear with the shorts. But once I got them and I put them on with the shorts, it just didn't give the look that I wanted to have. If I'm wearing mid-thigh shorts and I'm wearing them with sneakers or something like that, I think I would put them with this. But when I put them on and I tried to wear them with heels and with the look that I was going for my birthday, it just did not, it gave off the wrong vibes to me. But I do love them and I will keep them and I definitely will wear them. I also purchased these. And I'm not gonna put them on because I found out for my birthday, when I got into the car and wanted to take them off and take a selfie, y'all, it left lines here on my face. So I'm just letting you know, just in case you purchase them. Now, they are super cute, but if you have on makeup and you're wearing them, you're gonna have to keep them on your face. These are the brown tint, and I also purchased these. These are the orange, kind of orangey tint. Now they may look a lot alike, but you can kind of see the difference. This tint is a little bit more orangey than this tint. These are two other great additions to my accessories. And that will do it for the accessories. Now, on to the clothing pieces. Y'all, I have purchased clothing pieces in the past, but as far as like actual clothing pieces, like to wear out, I had never done that before, but I made some really cute choices. I'm gonna show you these before I show you the shirt that I bought them to go with. But I had purchased a couple of bandeaus. I purchased brown and I purchased black. This is the black one. They have a tight stretch, like a minimum stretch. Now, I purchased those because I purchased this top. This is a cutout top. I don't know the actual name for it. Okay, here it is. This is the top, and it ties around the neck as well as around the back. And you do see that it's cutouts. You see this? So I purchased this black one to wear up under it. But when I received it and I put this on, this was a little too snug for my liking, and it kind of made my breasts look smashed in. I just didn't like the look of this. So what I did was I went back on to look for something else that I could wear up under it. And I found this. She feels so good. I have her in a size large. She has the grips. I don't know if you can really see, but these grips to stay up. You have side ruching on the side, and she's a little cropped too. And honey, she did exactly what I needed her to do. Now this top is a dupe to a designer top. I don't know who the designer is. All I know is I saw Janae Naylor have it in brown. And I did purchase the brown one, but the brown one hasn't made it yet. But this is the brown, exactly like the black. That's why I had purchased the brown bandeau. But what I did was, since that didn't work out, I just went on after I got these. Pause. These comes in packs of 2s. So with this black one came this red one. And so with the brown one, I was like, I need something that I can wear that brown one with. On this. Now, you know brown goes with cream because brown is part of that nude family. That chocolate brown on top of this cream will hit so hard. I can't wait. I just need to find some bottoms. With this one came this color. So either one of these colors will go perfect with that chocolate brown, depending on my bottoms. And then, y'all, I was in search of some really cute skinny leg pants. I was looking for a certain type of pant. I wanted something that tied around my ankle and just fit really nice, you know, like that stretchy material. That's what I wanted. They're not exactly like the ones, but honey, they will do. They are super cute. I love them. They fit good, and they come in a variety of colors. So I will definitely purchase other colors, but for now, I only purchased the black. And here they are. They also came with a tie belt around the waist, but you don't have to wear this belt. They have belt loops. They have the tie that's hooked around the ankles, and they fit so nice. They have pockets, the elastic around the waist. They have a great stretch to them, and I have them in a size large. I will say that they do fit true to size. The next piece is a denim corset top. I had just been wanting a denim corset top. This is the top. Oh, wait, I have it backwards. This is the top. This is the front. This is the back, and she zips. She has stretch. And I did try her on. She's a little bit loose because I was kind of nervous about this. I have big breasts and a broad back. So I got her in an extra large. I didn't want to take a chance because I was like, I know a large might not fit the way that I needed to fit, But like I say, the extra large is a little bit loose. I mean, she's good. When I got the denim top, in my head, what I wanted was a leopard bodycon skirt. Not really bodycon, let me not say bodycon. I wanted a leopard maxi skirt. This is more of an A-line, and she's not maxi, but she comes down because I'm short. I'm only 5'3". She comes down. She is maxi style. She has a black lining on the inside. She does have stretch. This elastic waist does stretch, and she's kind of A-line, so she kind of like drapes outward, you know. She's super cute, and I loved how she paired really well with the denim corset top. I have one last piece, and it is a green jumpsuit. Now, the reason for me purchasing this jumpsuit was to wear the Monday of my birthday, on St. Patrick's Day. So I purchased this green jumpsuit because I wanted to wear her to breakfast with my kids. But the green wasn't the green that I wanted. You know, St. Patrick's Day is more of that Kelly green. This is more of a dark, like more of a darker green, even though it doesn't really look like it on camera, but she is a little bit darker than Kelly green. She has the really cute sleeves. She has ruching on the sides. She's a little bit wide leg, not much, but she has great stretch, y'all. So I actually sized down because I usually get a large in everything that I buy, because I read the reviews and I looked at the material and I was able to size down. She's a medium. She does have pockets and she's just super cute. Just a simple jumpsuit. I didn't wear her on my birthday, but you can best believe that she will get worn. If you are now at this point of the video, girl, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for tuning into my first Amazon haul. I actually look forward to many more of these because I now have the storefront. So you will see more Amazon hauls coming your way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which one of these pieces you love the most, which you could see yourself wearing, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the channel, and I will catch each one of you in the next video. Adios.